So these are the wash machines at my local British Art Foundation in Southampton. And we've got an old Bosch Classics 1000 RPM. The model is the WFL 2067 GB14. Trawley's in very good condition. Next up, we've got a Samsung Eco Bubble WF90F5E5U4W. This is the older version machine, like mine at home. And lastly, we've got a Beko WM74155LW, 7 kilogram, 1500 RPM, A++ rating. I think this is an inverter motor as well. And that's it. That's all the free wash machines at British Art Foundation Southampton. I'll see you later.